Crypto investor buying power has just reached a 6-month high, and so in this video we look at how this might affect the broader crypto market and how you can capitalize on it. Today's episode is sponsored by Cake Wallet, where you can send, receive, and even exchange your crypto right from within the wallet. Cake Wallet is open source and non-custodial, so you control your own private keys, available today on iOS, macOS, Android, and Linux. And StealthEX, a privacy-centric crypto exchange which enables you to make crypto-to-crypto exchanges anonymously. Good evening everybody, and a warm welcome back to Enter Crypto with me, Chris Kenyon, and this is the channel where I keep you informed and fully up to date on all the goings on in the cryptoverse. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then like, subscribe, and click on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any future updates. So, crypto investor buying power has just reached a 6-month high, and in this video I'm going to try and explain what that means. But first we need to understand that if we want the crypto market to fully enter another epic bull run, then investors must be willing to purchase digital assets in large quantities like Bitcoin. And up until now, we've had quite a long stretch of basically abysmal price performance, but it's just starting to look now like crypto investors are finally starting to believe in this market, as we start to see evidence that they're beginning to pool their buying power to enter back into the market. Now, as always guys, we're going to quickly read through the article that I've selected and we'll remark after. So, crypto markets are once again buzzing with excitement owing to the latest bullish reversal. The world's largest stablecoin, Tether, once again takes the spotlight. After a sharp upward trend, top crypto assets including Bitcoin and ETH underwent mild correction, but the odds could still favour the upside. Recent data from crypto analytic firm Sentiment reveals a significant surge in Tether's presence on exchanges. This development may suggest that investors may be gearing up for fresh buying opportunities. According to Sentiment, the amount of USDT on exchanges has recently increased from 17.6% to 24.7%. This jump signifies a substantial rise in the proportion of the stablecoin available for trading on various crypto platforms, and Tether's increased presence on exchanges often indicates growing interest from investors looking to enter or re-enter the crypto market. The crypto analytic firm also highlighted the increase in the USDT holdings of the 10 largest addresses, which surged from $7.3 billion to $9.4 billion in just 3 months. And this suggests that this cohort of market players are increasing their positions in Tether. So stablecoin inflows like the surge in USDT are often seen as a sign that investors are preparing to execute buy orders at current or lower price levels. This suggests growing confidence in the crypto market and a desire to seize opportunities presented by the recent market upturn. This development comes against the backdrop of a resurgence in the market, and Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, recently breached the $28,400 mark for the first time since mid-August. This bullish move has ignited optimism among investors who believe that October has finally arrived. Moreover, Bitcoin wallets holding 10 to 10,000 BTC have accumulated billions of dollars in the past month, which could potentially drive the prices even higher. So the long and short of this is that we've basically had a 25% increase on exchanges of dollars being held. It's irrelevant really that it's in Tether. It could be kept in USDC. It wouldn't really matter. The point being that people who want to get into the market are now adding dollars to their crypto exchange accounts. Now there is only one reason why you would add dollars to your account, and that is because you are anticipating that you are going to, at some point in the near future, want to buy. And so this kind of behavior is obviously extremely bullish. It's really good for crypto. So if we ever see any dollar inflows like this, then it's usually a great sign, because there's literally no other reason to put more dollars into your crypto account unless you was thinking about buying. Now you may argue that they're actually not going to buy and they're just holding it there, but still it's dry powder ready to use, and it's really less about what people actually do but what the narrative is, and the confidence which is difficult to measure, but things like this add to, you know, being able to picture, if you're a crypto trader or if you're a crypto investor, then things like this help you get a grasp on how the rest of the world are feeling about crypto. And that is, of course, important if you want to make money, because behavior like this usually is the type of behavior you would expect before a price rise. And the other thing that I always try to look at is I always try to look for things that are difficult to measure. So this has obviously gone up by 25%, the dollar inflows to exchanges, and we can measure that. We can also measure things like how much Bitcoin and how much crypto are leaving exchanges. That's also a bullish sign, because it means that people are valuing they're valuing the Bitcoin. They don't want to leave it on an exchange. They want it in their own custody. And so if they're valuing it, then that is obviously a bullish sign. Because if you didn't value something, you would sell it. And I've just noticed that things like, you know, on Twitter and in the media as well, crypto is starting to be, how can I say this, not hated anymore. You know, 3 to 4 months ago and a year beyond that, before that, crypto was hated. And it was being associated with crime, especially with this whole SBF trial and the fraud and everything. You know, and North Korea, you know, North Korea trying to scam other countries and other people. It was just everything was bad. And I was making a video every day, and it was just every single video was negative. There was nothing positive to cover. And so now I start to see the media just not necessarily be positive about Bitcoin, because it's too early yet. A lot of people have lost a lot of money. But when it starts to become not hated, it's a very important turning point in my experience, because it can only go one way after that. You can only hate something so much, and it takes a lot of energy to keep hating it, you know, to keep being angry with this thing because you lost money. Eventually, you're going to have to roll over and accept your loss. And think, well, maybe I just had the wrong time, or maybe I wasn't skilled enough, or I wasn't a good enough trader. Let's try that again, and you're back in. And when we get a whole group behaviour like that, like the whole world starts thinking like that about this new asset, things start to get very, very interesting. And more often than not, a bull market will follow. So I love covering articles like this, because they're just so positive, and it's much more fun for me to bring positive news to you all. As always, guys, that's what I've got for you today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe, and click on that notifications bell if you got some value from this video. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.